Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie, and for today's video, we will be introducing you to our new roommate. Hi guys, so ito si Yuki. Introduce namin sa inyo yung new roommate namin. So far, nagkakasundo naman sila. Noong una medyo hindi. Pero fortunately, okay naman na. Na Yuki? Medyo wala lang siya sa mood today kasi binabother talaga siya ng new roommate namin. Pero, okay naman na. So, say hi, Yuki. Hi! So, guys, I want you to meet our new roommate. And our new roommate is this one! So, hi, guys. This is Yuna. And she's also a Chow Chow. Same with Yuki. And I got her when she was 2 months old. She just recently turned 3 months this April. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung time na nakuha ko siya. And yung time na duration between ng 2 months and then na naging 3 months siya. So, here's Yuna. Hi, Yuna! Ayan, guys. Here's Yuna. And, ayan si Yuki. So, ano bang traits or attitude ni Yuna? Is it same with Yuki? Ano ba yung similarities and differences nila? So, Yuna compared kay Yuki nung baby siya, Yuna is much more playful, makulit siya, energetic, and then yung tubig niya, lagi niyang nilalaro. Mainly yun yung differences nila ni Yuki. Nung si Yuki yung 3 months old, nahirapan ba ako? Hindi masyado. Nahirapan ba ako today or right now or during Yuna? Slight. I guess, of course, it varies yung ugali ng dog. Kahit na pareho sila ng breed, meron pa rin silang differences. And I guess, ang expectation ko is yung energy level niya is same with Yuki, but mas energetic si Yuna, mas playful siya, and when it comes to obedience, I can say na mas masunuran si Yuki nung bata siya. So, ayan si Yuna. And I will be including videos of her nung baby siya and also right now. And I just want you guys to like enjoy and know her sa mga videos. I'm glad na we have a new family member. And ayun nga, pareho sila Chow Chow. You know guys, I know na yung breed ng Chow Chow mostly sinasabi na aggressive. Of course, meron naman na yung parang moody sila, ganyan. But at the end of the day, we are the owners and we should teach them. Socialization is important. Yun din yung part na medyo hindi ko nagawa ng tama kay Yuki. But hindi naman siya nakakapag-walk naman siya and hindi naman siya like aggressive towards other people. And so far si Yuna, doing my best para mas ma-socialize siya compared kay Yuki. You know, we have to also know our dogs, kung reactive ba sila, what triggers them and all. So, I guess yun. And, ayan, guys. Hi! Ayan. She's 3 months old. Mas malaki ba siya compared kay Yuki? Hindi. Mas malaki si Yuki nung baby siya. I will be including the clips now after this video. And, I'm glad to introduce to you the newest member of our family. So, ayan. Hi, Yuna! Hi, guys! So, ito si Yuna. If you remember, parang ganito din yung setup namin ni Yuki nung in-introduce ko siya. Kapag nasa kwarto na siya, hindi na siya playful. Pero pag nasa baba siya, super playful niya. Kaso medyo hinihingal lang siya ngayon kasi mainit talaga. 20 na lang yung temperature ng aircon namin, pero lagi din siya nakadila, guys.